Hello everyone. So this is a slightly unusual video. I don't really make videos like this, but few people have asked me in the past, and I thought let me just make a video and share my experience, and it might help you because a lot of people do it. Now I'm talking about earning money from YouTube, and I will talk about a few things so that it will give you some idea. Now I have few YouTube channels where I have been posting videos for many years, but primarily I post videos, regular videos on these two channels. So this channel on the left hand side is called BlackBerry Boy, which is a channel about Linux, Emacs, open source, and a lot of other things that I do. And this channel is like a place for me to dump videos, and I'm trying to of course improve the quality of my videos because majority of my videos are tutorial based. I show you things that you can do on computer, but sometimes I do post videos. And apart from this channel BlackBerry Boy, I do have one more channel which is slightly more popular called Ravi Sagar, my name. Now BlackBerry Boy channel has 1.19k subscribers, slightly over 1000. It has 700 videos. On the other side, Ravi Sagar channel, it has 6,300 something subscribers with 1,300 something videos. Now I want to share a few things. Number one, on both of these channels I post almost daily videos. I post daily videos unless I'm taking a break, and I do not spend more than 15 minutes on posting these videos. So let us say if I have to make a video like this right now, which I'm making, so it has been 2 minutes in this video so far. After I'm done with my video, let us say it's a 10-minute video, I'll straight away upload it, and I use a script to generate a thumbnail, and that is it. So I literally spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes max, and that is actually my target. So I don't really spend ever more than half an hour on making videos, usually less than half an hour. So there is no effort for me to make these videos. At the same time, I make videos because I like making it. For example, on my Ravi Sagar channel, or in fact on this channel where I talk about Emacs, org mode, Linux in general, I'm just sharing my experiences. So for me, it is just a place where I'm just sharing something with everyone, and making videos has helped me a lot. And talking about the earning, I'll of course talk about other things, but talking about the earnings, I'll of course not really share the exact number, but from BlackBerry Boy channel, which I recently, I guess, monetized. I never really bothered about monetizing it, but I crossed 1,000 subscribers, so I thought, okay, let me just enable it because why not? If I can earn some money. So it has been like a few months, I believe, and on this channel, every month I earn money, which is roughly equal to some money that you will spend in a bar in central London in one evening. So let us say you're going there with your friend. You have drinks, right, in central London, and maybe you have few drinks, and it is of course not a lot of money, but basically the money that I earn is roughly equivalent to that amount. So you can figure out, do your research in case you are interested. But from my Ravi Sagar channel, I earn money which is roughly equal to the amount of money that you would pay here in the UK for an average household utility bills. Let us say if you have to pay your electricity, gas, and what else, water, I guess, for maybe 2 months. So it is of course slightly more than, not slightly, but definitely more than what I earn from the other channel. But or maybe you can say that I earn enough money from this channel so that I can pay my utility bills plus my council tax, I guess. Yeah, roughly, or a bit more than that, but it is not really a lot, but it is still decent. It helps. Definitely it helps because it is money, and I can use that money, and whatever money that I earn from both these channels, I use my company account. So it goes to my company account, and I of course it's like a company income which I generate. And when it comes to company income, you of course you can you have to pay your taxes, VAT, blah blah blah. If you're earning money from Google Ads here in the UK, I think there is some UK US treaty, so you don't really pay any VAT, which is good, but you still pay your taxes, right? So this is something that I wanted to share because in case you want to make similar videos, I guess it will give you some idea. So you can definitely earn money, but for me, going back to the point where I was talking about, I don't really spend too much time, but I still earn decent money, and of course, the money will continue to grow. And because this is not what I do for a living. I do my business. I provide Atlassian consultancy, and for me, YouTube channels. These YouTube channels help me to get leads. It is a way for me to market my thing, my skills. For example, on my Ravi Sagar channel, I talk about Atlassian tools, Jira, automation, scripting, and it helps a lot. And I also get better when it comes to because I am a consultant and I have to talk to people, which is not really, or it was never, talking to people was never really my skill set. But I have improved a lot because when I make a video on something, I have to talk about it and I have to present something. So whatever I do by making these videos, directly, indirectly, I'm also learning and improving every day. And I guess if you are thinking of doing it, then I guess you can also plan to make videos. But I would say in the beginning, don't really have any expectations because you may not like doing it. In case you're trying to make a tutorial kind of a YouTube channel, you can definitely make videos, but at the same time don't expect to earn a lot of money from it in the beginning, because the money that you earn also depends on because of course you earn money from the ads, and ads will be based on people watching your videos and their location. So if someone is watching your ad in the US or Germany, the rates would be definitely different. So, and that is why I make videos in English, because to be honest, because I always wanted to make videos in a language which is globally, the most common language that people can understand, and of course that is definitely English. And English is, I guess, is the language which not everyone, but most people use for working for business, especially in IT. Not really, it might not be true for other fields, other areas, but definitely in IT. So for me, I'm quite happy with whatever I have been doing so far. And if you're trying to make a video or videos on YouTube, or maybe you're trying to build some courses, then I think posting videos on YouTube will definitely help you. For example, I do have some courses, but because I don't really have, for me as a business, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to spend time building a course, because I don't really have that much time. Of course, I'm trying to grow as a company, but on my channel, all the videos are free. And these videos are free because I want these videos to be free. I want these videos to be on YouTube because it is easy for me to make these videos. If I have to make a proper paid course by spending weeks or maybe months, the return, because I know when you make courses online, you don't really earn a lot of money. And I do have courses, by the way. I do have my book. So unfortunately, when you make a course, even if you're able to sell it, even if it is like a number one Udemy course, I don't really think you earn a lot of money. Based on especially based on, your niche, your area. For example, I know that my domain is Atlassian tools, and based on my understanding, it is still not really a huge market. So that is why I just keep making these online free videos on YouTube, and for me it is just a way for me to improve myself and share whatever little I can share, and also it is my marketing. It helps me with marketing, like free marketing in a way, because I don't really have marketing budget or marketing team, to be honest. So talking about earning money, yes, I do earn money from both these channels, and money is not really a lot, but if you have a lot of videos, if you are making regular videos in a specific domain, you can expect to earn or start earning some decent money. It might take some time, but money always helps. For example, the money that I earn combined from both these channels, it is actually quite enough money to to basically survive, or it is like a decent income in maybe in a country like India. I mean, of course, depending on the cost of living, things are different, and that is why I make videos in English. I never really bothered making videos in any other language, because I know if I make a video in English, then because I know my audience, most of them are from US, Germany, Europe, and a lot of them are from India as well. But I know if someone is watching a video in the US, the ads that will be shown to that particular person will be different, and the price, the cost, I guess it is called a CPM, like how much you will earn per 1,000 views, I guess something like that, is going to be different. So if you're thinking of making YouTube videos, depending upon your priorities, depending upon the time that you may want to spend, keep these things in mind, and there is no harm in using your channels, YouTube channels, as a way to market yourself. I mean, I try to keep my videos useful and content rich. I try, not always, but I try to not waste my audience time, because if you're watching a video of mine, I guess you're expecting something, and I know that. And sometimes I do get this feedback in some of my videos where people say that, okay, you're talking rubbish, which is like, I believe, for me it's a good feedback. It's great feedback, because I want to improve. And now I think I know, I really know what kind of videos of mine are being watched and liked by my audience. So my niche, I guess, or the kind of videos that are great, and I know do really well, are mostly tutorial based, where I show something on the screen, and videos where I just talk, like these videos. These videos are not always appreciated. So I just wanted to give you some ideas about YouTube channel, or if you're thinking of making YouTube videos, I think you should. In the beginning, I would say, if you have something to share, if you want to learn something, just make a video out of it. You may not get anything, you may not get any money or return immediately, but it will definitely help you. All right, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.